What, you ain't doing that?
Hello. Said boys and girls. 2 girls and 1 boy. Sorry, 2 girls and 4 boys. The runt is a boy. He's almost big as they are. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. There I am. Go. So what's over there? So we gotta catch the picture. What's over there? There you go. Stand up for the picture. Yeah. There we go for the video. Do it, boys and girls. Do it, boys and girls. There you go. Hi. Do it, boys and girls. So we're ready for our new home. We had our shots today. We're ready to go. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There we go. Get up, big boy. Get up, big boy. Yeah. Get up. Where y'all going?
I'm going over to the side where they at.
Say, we just want to look at. We're outside. We haven't seen over here before. Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Come on. Look at the leg hanging out.
Say hi. Say hi. No, you can't get out. Hi. The big boy. Say hi. I'm about 9 pounds. Yeah. Yeah, I am. So we're ready to go. Come and get us. We're ready. We're ready.